Have you ever thought about the risks of cyber attacks for small businesses? In this digital age, cyber threats are on the rise, and small businesses are finding themselves in the crosshairs of cyber criminals more often than not. While larger corporations have the resources to invest in extensive cybersecurity measures, smaller businesses often lack the necessary funds, leaving them more vulnerable to attacks. In fact, statistics show that small businesses are targeted in nearly half of all cyber attacks. This is because cybercriminals see them as low-hanging fruit, easy to hack with the added bonus of potentially valuable data. From ransomware attacks that can cripple operations to data breaches that can expose sensitive customer information, the threat landscape for small businesses is vast and varied. So, no matter how secure you think your business is, the risk of a cyber attack is always present. Be aware, be prepared, because when it comes to cyber threats, it's not a matter of if, but when. This is where cyber protection insurance comes in. It's a specialized form of coverage designed to help businesses navigate the treacherous waters of cyber threats. But what does it cover exactly? Well, it's a lifesaver in many instances. Imagine a data breach scenario. Your customer's data is compromised, and now you have to notify them and provide credit monitoring services. That's a hefty cost, but with cyber protection insurance, these costs are covered. Or let's take a ransomware attack. A cybercriminal holds your business data hostage, demanding a ransom for its release. It's a nightmare, right? But again, cyber protection insurance steps in to cover the ransom payment, freeing your business from the cybercriminal's clutches. What about legal fees and defense costs? In the event of a cyber attack, your business could potentially face lawsuits. Legal fees can pile up quickly, pushing your business to the brink of financial ruin. But with cyber protection insurance, you're not alone. Your policy can assist with these legal costs, helping your business weather the storm. And let's not forget about business interruption losses. A cyber attack can halt your operations, causing significant losses. But you guessed it, cyber protection insurance can help to cover these losses too. Now you might be thinking, surely this isn't necessary for my small business. But here's the thing, small businesses are often seen as easy targets by cyber criminals. They perceive these businesses as having less stringent cybersecurity measures, making them attractive targets. The potential financial and reputational damage a cyber attack can cause is enormous. It could take years to recover from such an attack, if at all. That's why cyber protection insurance is so crucial. It's not just about compensating for losses. It's about ensuring your business can survive a cyber attack and bounce back stronger. Cyber protection insurance isn't just a safety net, it's a lifeline for businesses in the digital age. You may be wondering, does this really happen? The answer is a resounding yes. Let's delve into some real-life scenarios where cyber protection insurance proved invaluable for small businesses. Picture this. A small thriving business was suddenly hit by a ransomware attack. The perpetrators encrypted the company's precious data, effectively holding it hostage. They demanded a hefty ransom in exchange for the decryption key. This could have been the end of the road for our small business, but they had a safety net. Cyber protection insurance. This insurance covered the cost of the ransom payment. Consequently, the company could decrypt its data and quickly get back to business as usual. Now, imagine a different scenario. A small business fell victim to a data breach. The attackers made away with the personal information of the company's customers. This could have spelled disaster, leading to costly lawsuits and a tarnished reputation. But again, cyber protection insurance came to the rescue. The insurance covered the cost of notifying the affected customers and providing them with credit monitoring services. The company managed to maintain its reputation and avoid potential lawsuits. Finally, consider a small business hit by a business email compromise or BC attack. The attackers impersonated the company's CEO and sent fraudulent emails to the accounting department. Tricked by the deception, the accounting department transferred a large sum of money to the attacker's bank account. It seemed like a crippling blow, yet the company had cyber protection insurance. The insurance covered the loss of funds, allowing the company to recover from the attack and continue its operations. So you see, cyber protection insurance isn't just a theoretical safety measure. It's a real-life savior for businesses facing the daunting threat of cyber attacks. The digital landscape is fraught with dangers, and for a small business, a single cyber attack can spell disaster. These are not isolated incidents. Cyber attacks happen frequently, and when they do, the costs can be staggering. Cyber protection insurance provides a crucial safety net, helping businesses navigate these turbulent digital waters with confidence. So, how do you choose the right cyber protection insurance policy for your business? Well, it all starts with understanding your business's specific needs and risks. You see, every business is unique, and so is its exposure to cyber threats. How big is your business? What type of business are you in? The answers to these questions can greatly influence the kind of protection you need. Next, consider the type of data you collect and store. If your business handles sensitive information like credit card numbers or medical records, you'll need a policy that offers robust data breach coverage. The more sensitive your data, the higher your risk. Now let's talk about risk levels. Some businesses are inherently more at risk than others. If your business operates online or uses a lot of technology, your risk level could be higher. It's crucial to assess your risk accurately and get a policy that matches. Lastly, factor in your budget. Cyber protection insurance is an investment, not an expense. It's about safeguarding your business's future. But like all investments, it needs to fit within your financial plan. Once you've evaluated these factors, compare different policies, look for coverage that matches your business's unique needs and risks. And don't forget to read the fine print. It's essential to know exactly what's covered and what's not. Remember, the key is to find a policy that fits your business's unique needs and risks. Choose wisely, and you'll give your business the best chance to bounce back from a cyber attack. In this digital age, cyber protection insurance is no longer an option, it's a necessity. Just imagine the potential devastation of a cyber attack. The loss, the damage, the reputation at stake. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? But with cyber protection insurance, you can mitigate these risks. You can safeguard your hard work, your dreams, your livelihood. You can stand strong in the face of cyber threats, empowered and protected. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your business now with cyber protection insurance.